February 2nd, this Bandit Silver Bullet Good Karma Express Money Train is rolling. Choo choo, choo choo, next stop, Moneyville. Booking their seats on the Good Karma Express Money Train, sitting in the VIP section. Seat number 1, we have MJ Johnson. In seat number 2, we have Ben. Thanks, mates. Much appreciated for all your support. If you'd like to book your seat on Bandit Silver Bullet Good Karma Express Money Train and sit in the VIP section and meet MJ Johnson and Ben, make a donation through PayPal and get a shout out from Bandit. It's a sweet deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon if you're new to the channel. And if you're a Team Bandit member, make a donation. Support the channel. It's good karma for you, good karma for Bandit. And 10% of your donation will be donated on February 26th to Bandit's local SPCA. And Bandit will be giving a percentage donation as well. So, Team Bandit giving back, Team Bandit cares. Money Bandit, the #1 ranked 100% free sports capper in the world. No $100 package deals, no $30 a day package deals. 100% free. And you can play the fade or no fade game. It's a fun game. You can jump on the fade train. Bandit makes a pick, you could jump on the fade train. Next stop, Moneyville. Or you could go on the no fade train. Next stop, Moneyville. If you're playing the fade, no fade game, click the thumbs up for no fade and click the thumbs down if you're fading. Alright? And look for JP. He's the Bandit official moderator and the fade, no fade game master. He'll help you out. Or he'll help you with any questions. The month of greatness is upon us. Bandit celebrating his birthday all of February. His birthday's on February 26th, but he celebrates every day of February because it's the month of greatness of the Bandit. What else we got? Hockey Guy. You've been sleeping on Hockey Guy. Another winner last night for Hockey Guy. Hockey Guy's 12-6. He started 2-3. He's gone 10-3 since going 2-3. Now he's 12-6. Tampa Bay winner last night. So don't sleep on Hockey Guy. All right. What else? Bandits. Early Bird Special. This band's Early Bird Special. And a 1-unit play. Early Bird Special. 1-unit play. MD Baltimore versus NJIT. This game was canceled yesterday, so the same play Bandit's playing today. So, Bandit's playing MD Baltimore on the money line, full game. 1-unit play, Early Bird Special. And check out Bandit's 2-unit play. The first video. Bandit's swinging for the home run. 2-unit play, first video of the day. Alright. And thank you for all your support. Moneymaker out.